how to log start or end of your period on Flo Period Tracker app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log the start or end of your period using the Flo app. Now, let's get started. So first of all, open up your Flo app and then your main screen will look like this. Now look for the option that says log period and tap on it. Now this means this is the start of your period date. Now you'll see on screen where you can select the number of days for your period. Make sure to tap on the days that apply to you. So you can just tick it like this and then tap on save. And that's it. Now you have entered the start and the end of your period date and it will show you accurate predictions. That's it. If you successfully log the start or end of your period, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.